Hello, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Hamworthy Purewell Classic 60 Auto. I'm going to show you how to get this unit into low fire and high fire. Please ensure that you're gas safe registered to do work on commercial appliances, and refer to the manufacturer's instructions when carrying out work on appliances. Do your fags, your flue, your air, your gas, your safety device checks. On this unit, first we have to establish that there's a call for heat. Turn the power off. Look for CN16, that's Charlie November 16. Once you establish that your multimeter is working and that there is no power at all going to the PCB, remove the link that says high/low fire. That will leave the boiler in low fire. This is what you should be getting. Low fire symbol. Turn off the gas supply and connect your manometer to the burner bar manifold test point. Then you should be getting on low fire 3.5 millibar, and on high fire you should be getting 11.9 millibar. If you are not, whilst your flue gas analyzer is connected and the temperature has stabilized and your flue readings are stabilizing, ensure that you remove this cap and then you do not move the inner when you're adjusting the outer. The outer is for high fire. When you're adjusting low fire, hold the outer and move the inner screw. Let's get a bit closer. You see? But there's the inner and the outer. So we have the outer here and the inner in here. You can get your burner pressure readings from here. Make sure that you use leak detection fluid afterwards to ensure that there's no leak on this test point, and ensure that when you want high fire that the power supply is off, and then you can put the link back in and then the unit should go into high fire. Please contact the manufacturers for further guidance. This is a basic guide how to get this boiler into low and high fire. Thank you for joining me. Until next time. Bye bye bye.